If you're thinking about adding a tow kit to your MG ZS, you'll definitely want to see this before parting with your cash. There's a couple of aftermarket tow kits available for the MG ZS, and notably no factory option, and this seems to be for pretty good reasons. The two most common kits available in Australia are the Heyman Reese kit retailing for $1,200 and the other from Parkside Trailers retailing for just over $1,000. Although both retailers have great reputations and are known for a quality made product, there are some practicality issues, and here's where they come in. Both kits have a working load limit of 500 kilos and a maximum ball weight of 50 kilos, which is already pretty restrictive. The average 6x4 trailer comes in at or just over the 500 kilogram mark, so we can already rule out moving even the smallest piece of furniture or doing a tip run with the MG ZS. So this got me wondering, what exactly can you tow behind your MG ZS with a $1,000 tow kit? Here's a couple of examples of relatively common lightweight loads versus the maximum working load limit for both of these tow kits. Take a golf cart for example, weighing in at around 220 kilos. Put that on a lightweight golf cart trailer that weighs in at around 360 kilos, and you're already 80 kilograms over the maximum working load limit. The average jet ski weighs around 310 kilograms, and a lightweight jet ski trailer comes in at around 350. Again, the MG ZS is simply incapable of the load, sitting 160 kilograms over the working load limit. Still unable to find anything useful I could tow, I did come across some compact camper trailers that do come in under the 500 kilogram mark. However, the maximum ball weight of 50 kilos still proves too restrictive for most models. So as you can see, from the get-go, you're not really getting much from your tow bar with the underwhelming capacity. The verdict on the MG ZS tow kits is basically this. Unless you have something super lightweight that you're not moving vast distances, you might get some use, like a multi-bike rack for example. For the average person and day-to-day use, it seems there isn't much you can tow that wouldn't fit on a set of $400 roof racks. There's plenty of options out there, and I've got the Pro racks fitted to mine and they were super easy to fit and work a treat. Again, weight can be slightly restrictive, with the roof only rated to support 75 kilos. Links to the tow kits and trailers mentioned in this video are linked in the description below, feel free to check those out. And if you've got any thoughts on the MG ZS towing, if it's been a blessing or a burden for you, let us know in the comments below. You can also check out more on the MG ZS right here.